Today we bring this 1948 Tucker Torpedo back to life, keeping its factory bright red soul exactly as it was meant to be. This rare 1948 Tucker Torpedo has waited decades in silence, and we will restore every surface in its original fact. Look at this, 1948 Tucker Torpedo, covered in 80 years of dirt and rust, but she's still got that look. We can bring her back. The original bright red paint has faded, leaving these rust streaks along the fender and dull trim.
Decades, just sitting here. Look at this interior. It's got a long road ahead, but she's worth it.
Keep coming back, slow. You're good. Okay, right there, stop. Got it. All right, here we go, steady pull. Looks good, keep it coming slowly. Just need to get over this edge. Careful with the paint, she's fragile. All right, easy does it. Perfect, set it down. Just a little more. Now. All right, front fender looks solid. Driver's side door has a pretty big dent here. Mark that down. Missing trim on the quarter panel. Okay, got it. Move to the rear. With the front wheel off, you can really see the complexity of the brake assembly and the wear on these suspension arms. This car tells a story.
The time has come to unlatch the hood. You can see the grime and the seams and the chipped edges. Gently now.
All right, careful, let's keep it steady. Got it, easy now, perfect. Set it down. Good. Good, it's stable.
All right, nice and easy. That clip is stubborn.
Yeah.
There, careful of the seal.
Yeah.
Placing this one with the others, slowly.
Yeah.
Good.
All right, these last ones should come loose now. Yeah. Easy does it, watch your fingers. Got it, just needs to go straight down. All right, tiny turns now. Don't want to strip it after all these years. You're almost there, careful. Got it. Looks like she needs a new gasket too. All right, seals are breaking. Steady. Got it. Perfect. All right, gently now. Clear on this side. Yeah. Slow and steady. It's coming free. Got it, perfect. All right, got that one. Mind the door. Heavy thing, isn't it? Yeah, old iron. Set it here, careful. All right, these last few bolts are a bit tricky. Yeah. There, got it. Careful now, this is heavy. Just placing it over here with the other parts. All right, Tucker gauge number 3. Got to be careful with this plastic. That's the correct spot on the foam tray. All right, slowly does it. No rush with history. All right, let's set you down here gently. The trunk of this 1948 Tucker Torpedo tells a story. Look at the corrosion, the dust, the years of neglect. But we're going to bring it back. All right, watch the paint here. Steady now. Got it? Just a little more. Careful not to drop it. Perfect. Easy does it.
You can really see the wiring roots and the rust texture around the mounting points with the fenders off. It's coming along beautifully.
All right, gently, ease it out now. Clear, got the other side. Perfect, take it to the rack, right behind you. Watch the seal there, good.
The full-size 1948 Tucker Torpedo is now a bare shell on the lift. Wheels, bumpers, and panels are arranged.
All right, let's see what's under all this history. All right, moving to this heavy patch. That's a lot of buildup. Just need to hit it right.
All right, time to tackle these seams.
Yeah.
Watch the rust-stained water run, revealing that original red underneath.
All right, time to tackle this beast. Coming right up. That's it, lift the grime. All right, time to tackle the floorboards. That's some serious dust built up here. Watch this go. Incredible, look at the difference. Just need to get around the pedals. Still some stubborn spots here on the column. Keep at it, we need to see that original finish. All right, let's get this red paint shining again. Just a few more stubborn spots. All right, one final rinse. You can see the grime coming right off.
Yeah.
It's been hiding in here for 70 years. Just need to get this water off the metal now.
The dashboard components of this 48 Tucker Torpedo are finally getting the deep clean they deserve.
All right, let's get this stain lifted. Looking good, Frank. The clean water really makes the original red pop, but the extent of the rust is clearer now.
Yes, especially around the wheel wells.
So do you like this? The paint is old, but the red still has a deep vibrance under all that grime. Let's get these seams dry. Any rust sneaking in.
Getting into these crevices requires a gentle hand. You don't want to damage the original finish.
This is the painstaking process. Every drip rail, every channel needs this attention. Looking good, Mark. All right, time to tackle this firewall. Got the detergent applied. Now the scrub brush goes to work to lift that thick layer of grime. See the red? This is it. End of phase one. Ready to rebuild.
The depth of the pitting is extensive, especially here on the lower panel. We'll need to work slowly to preserve what we can of the original steel.
All right, time to start. Needs a good mask before we do anything. Looking at the paint, we've got a lot of surface work to do. Keep the dolly firm. Just a little more pressure on this side. The Tucker Torpedo, a dream resurrected. We've reached the bare metal stage. Patient, precise work. Keep it thin, working it from the middle out to feather the edges. Let the tool do the work.
The seam along the trunk of this Tucker has significant rust. I'm using a fine grit tool to remove the corrosion without...
All right, here we have the 48 Tucker Torpedo, still very much in mid-restoration. Look at this honest progress, all this... All right, let's see how that looks now. Perfect, right on the money. Welcome to the shop. Today, we're masking the 1948 Tucker Torpedo, preparing it for priming. Every line needs to be exact. The original bright red is gone, hidden under this dry matte primer. Look at the repaired seams, the smoothness of the guide coat shows us exactly where we need to work. It's all about revealing those original lines.
With the primary bodywork complete, we're now moving on to the final stages of surface preparation.
All right, first coat, let's lay it down. The factory original hue is back. It's exactly as it should be. Pristine. Time to get these james and edges coated. Precision is everything in here.
The bodywork is complete and the paint is fresh. We're ready for mechanical.
Right.
Just look at that shine. Pristine.
Right.
Next phase, let's get it done. All right, this is the original cylinder head. You can see the wear on the gasket. We'll need to source new ones matching these exact specifications. Looking at the schematics now. All right, just a little bit more elbow grease on this side. Looks like it's coming clean now. The cylinder head looks solid, but the valve stems are slightly undersized.
Yeah.
We'll need to replace those.
The heart of the Tucker's innovative braking system. Renewed, correct, and ready for install. The full-size 1948 Tucker Torpedo is in mechanical restoration. Here are the suspension arms, stripped. All right, easy does it. Just a fraction more to the right. Perfect, it's almost home. Slow now, don't want any scrapes. It's in.
The Tucker Torpedo is a masterpiece of engineering. Every component, from the exhaust to the suspension, must be perfectly fitted to restore its legacy.
The process of mounting these new white walls onto the restored factory wheels is delicate work. We focus on preserving the details of this 1948 Tucker Torpedo.
All right, alignment looks perfect. Now for the lug nuts.
Yeah.
Just need to get this last one snug. There, wheels back on. The full-size 1948 Tucker Torpedo, now sitting on all 4 restored wheels. The engine's running great, and the... All right, seat frame's prepped. Next is to reattach the springs and get it back in the Tucker.
The heart of the Tucker, making sure every stitch, every texture is precisely as it should be. Only the best for this legend. This bezel needs a bit more attention, but it's really starting to shine. Yeah. Looks perfect to me. The glass is flawless now. The perfect fit, exactly as it should be. Another panel ready for the Tucker. Line it up there, check the alignment on this side, slowly down. Perfect, that's sitting right where it belongs. Good work.
All right, that's it, perfect. All right, perfect fit. Just got to lock it in. Looks incredible. Absolutely. Back to its glory.
Sale Bryce.
All right, time to install the door panels on this 1948 Tucker.
Yeah.
Careful alignment is key to preserve original.
Line it up evenly.
Got it.
Push in gently now. Hold it. Solid.
Every detail addressed. This Tucker Torpedo's interior is complete, bringing it back to life.
Line it up here.
Got it.
Slow and steady. Checks out. Bring the hood. Line it up perfectly. Steady.
Got it.
Just a little turn on this side. There, solid.
The hood is perfect. Move to the passenger door. Check the trunk line again.
Yeah.
Just a fraction off on the rear quarter. Easy fix.
I'll put anything to you.
If you want to see more rare cars restored this carefully, stay with us for the next journey. Thank you for watching this 1948 Tucker Torpedo return in its original factory bright red, and I hope you join the next restoration.